do.
Happy Teacher Appreciation Week.
Oh, that is awesome. I love it. Will you take a picture and send that to me, Cassie?
Sure.
Very nice. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Looks like we're missing somebody. Cedric.
We need Dante. Dante.
Cedric, put your camera on. Cedric, put your camera on.
Did you tell him to change the picture?
Yeah, see, still has that weird picture. I don't want to look at that picture. Cedric, camera on, please.
Cedric.
Well, he's not there. He must be somewhere.
Wait, you can see us?
Yeah, I can see you.
Wait. How many fingers am I holding?
No, wait a minute. Well, I can't see you. You turned your camera off. You were here earlier. Put your camera back on. Now I can see you.
Sorry, I thought you could like see through the picture thing.
No, I can't see through the picture thing. Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. So, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, May 4th. You should by now have gotten into your Google Classroom, and I'll present mine so that you can see it. In just a minute. Okay, so I thought about what I wanted to do for the rest of the period, and I know we're up for the rest of the days that we have, and we are going to learn about Mexico. We're going to do that together. Yes. But I really wanted to kind of expand on learning about South America. I wanted to get to South America, where time is running short. So I looked at South America, and I thought, I think a great way to do that is to have you guys do a presentation like Nathan did with inventors, but that you each pick a country in South America. So, Serena, can I answer questions in a little bit? Okay. I'll just present the research and what I want you to do, and then I'll answer questions, because I'm going to set this up and present it to you. You can open it up in your Google Classroom if you want to take a look at it. Okay. All right. Okay. Can you see it now, everybody?
Yeah, I can.
Whoops. I just lost.
And you just got out.
Oh, there we go. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Okay. So, as you can see, it's called South American Country Research, and this is due May 13th. I have the map of South America there for you with the different countries. You're to pick one of the countries that you see here. The different colors show you the different countries. Here's a list of the countries you can choose from: Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana. Mute your mics, please, till I'm done presenting this.
Sorry.
Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Uruguay, and Venezuela. Those are your choices. You may not, everybody gets their own country. I don't want you picking the same country as someone else. Okay, so begin researching your country. Now, you may use your book. You'll find information in your book about some of these areas to help you. That could be one of your research things. And here's what I want you to do. Be sure to write your information in your own words. Do not simply copy and paste. This is plagiarism. Your research can be from a book, encyclopedia, magazine, brochure, and of course the internet. With the situation we have right now, internet, I'm accepting all internet, but you can use your textbook, because you can't get to the library to get books and stuff right now. You should have at least 3 sources. So if you use your book for a source, you get information out of your book, you count that, and then at least 2 internet sites. So the FCAs, that's focus correction areas, is this. You have 10 Google slides. Each slide should have at least 1 picture. So that means you should have actually 9 pictures, because your last slide will be your resource page, your bibliography. Okay, slide 1, and I have that set up into your Google Classroom. As you can see, there are 10 slides there. I didn't put anything on them, but I just opened it up and saved it. So you have everybody has a place where I can grade your assignment. Slide
Mrs.
1.
Wetzel? Mrs. Wetzel?
Hang on a minute. What?
Can I do Peru?
Can we? No, I'm not going to do this until I'm done explaining it, and then I'll come back to you guys on what place you went. Slide 1, title page, your name, country name, the country name you picked, a picture or map of where it's located. Slide 2 is location. Tell about the location of your country and what the population is. 1 picture. Slide 3 and 4 is about the place. What's it like there? This theme considers the characteristics that make one place different from all the other places on Earth. And these 2 slides focus on the physical features, the natural environment, landforms, water, climate, natural vegetation. Those are the kind of things so you'll have 2 slides to talk about what it's like there, the physical features, and 2 pictures. Slide 5 and 6 are the people, human and environment interactions. Tell about the history of the human settlement in your country, language, religion, population density. Where do the people live? Why do they live there? How do they use the land? And maybe political systems. 2 pictures at least on 2 pictures at least. Oh, that should say 1. That's not printed out. That should say at least 1 on each slide. Okay, slide 7, 8, and 9 I left open. If you find you need another slide to do any of the above, you can add to those. But 7, 8, and 9 can be what you want it to be. These slides are open for you to decide what you would like to share about what you learned about your country. For example, what are the places to go to in your country? Tourism. Where would you go? What would people want to see? What are the attractions? What would you do if you went there? Fun or interesting facts you would like to share. 3 pictures, at least 1 on each slide. That's what the other one should have said, 1 on each slide. And slide 10 is your resource page or your bibliography. Tell where you found your information. You should use at least 3 sources. No pictures here. And I don't know why that says AOA. I'll have to edit that and take that out. Good luck. Be creative and have fun. Now, these slides here, if you find you need more to tell about the political system, you can use the slide to do that. That's your option on that. Now, before you start picking, did you all find it in Google Classroom? You're okay?
Yes. But
I forgot to turn my captions on. Turn your captions on. Now, is there any questions on how to do it before we pick our country? Matthew.
It's not exactly how, but in case we get confused and have to look back, will you fix like the things that you said that were wrong?
Yes, I'll edit it. Yeah, I'll edit it after class, and it's just that one thing. The main thing is that one is just supposed to say 1 picture per slide. You really need 9 pictures, Matthew. A picture on each slide except for the last one, number 10, and that's the basic thing with pictures. So you have 9 pictures. Okay.
When is this due?
Oh, good. That's a good question. It says May 13th, which will be next Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll have it completed and I'll also tell them.
Can you put your camera on, please, Cedric? Cedric, put your camera on. Why aren't you putting your camera on, Cedric? What's going on? There you go. Okay. Any other questions about the project before you pick your country? Nicholas Wilby.
Oh man.
What?
Willoughby, do you have a question?
Nah.
Willoughby. Okay, you muted your mic, so I thought you had a question. Sorry. Okay, Cassie, you have a question?
No.
Okay. Well, I go by if you mute your mic, then I think you have a question. Serena, question?
No.
Okay. All right. And all right. So I'm assuming that means you all are ready to pick out your countries. Oh, Nick, you have a question.
Yeah, I kept on muting and unmuting my mic, so you see, but you didn't see it.
Go ahead.
How come Honduras isn't in there? Isn't Honduras part of the South America countries?
I think that's considered part of the middle America, like where Mexico is.
Oh, the equator.
Let me see.
I was hoping to do that one.
That may. Oh, wait a minute. Let me check on that. You might be able to
That's
do
a
that.
Central American country.
Yeah, I think that's why it's not in there. It's
Mhm.
considered Central America.
Darn it. Because that I was really hoping to do that one.
Yeah.
I was hoping to do one.
No, we want to keep Central. We're going to keep Central American open. Honduras.
Thank you.
All right. So, yeah, the ones we have there are the ones to pick from. Okay. Cassie, you know what you want, I'm assuming. Okay, go ahead,
Yeah.
Cassie.
I want Peru. I want to
Okay.
do Peru.
You got it. You may start working on it because I'm not doing anything else today. I'm giving you this 15 minutes to start working. Work right here in our classroom.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, then you can ask questions. Cedric, don't leave until you get your country. Serena?
Brazil.
Okay, you got it. Nick, Mark?
I think I'll do Peru. You know what?
Peru's taken.
Argentina.
Peru and Brazil are gone.
I said Argentina.
Oh, Argentina. Oh, that's a good one.
Sorry.
Oh, I had a boyfriend in 6th grade who was from Argentina. Oh, no, he wasn't from Argentina.
Wow.
He was from Chile.
Oh, still.
Yeah, I had a boyfriend in 6th grade.
Wow, that was legal back then?
Maybe it was 7th grade.
Oh.
It was not, you know, how you pretend you have a boyfriend. Not that you just say, oh, yeah, he's my boyfriend. And you just say that. All right. Nicholas, did you have unmute your mic if you picked one.
Oh, if I picked one? Okay, I'll just stay muted.
As soon as, well, you got Argentina, Nick.
Okay, so that
Mark, you got Argentina. You're
so
done.
does that mean I mute?
Yeah, go ahead and mute, and you can start doing your research. Matthew, stop playing with your dog and pick out your country. Matthew Bellino. Cedric, unmute. Put your camera on, Cedric, please.
She's attacking me.
Matthew, you need to pick a country. Nathan, what are you doing today?
What are my options for picking a country?
Look at that paper. You can see it right there, all the names. And also you can open up your textbook. Cedric, if you open up your textbook to page...
I think I know the country.
Can I use it? Can I use the restroom?
Yes, I know. You can open up your textbook and well, actually, Cedric, just look there on that paper. It tells you right there on the paper. Right underneath, Cedric, right underneath here, it says all the countries there. Do you see it?
Yep.
Okay. Venezuela. Venezuela is pretty popular. There's Bolivia, Chile. Okay. Matthew, Nathan, let's pick. Nicholas Willoughby, go ahead.
Guys, I have to pick Peru.
Cruz?
Can I do Ecuador?
Ecuador, you got it, Nicholas. How about Cedric? How about Chile? That's long, skinny country. If you look on page 278, Cedric, please put your camera on. Why do you keep doing this? Put your camera on and leave it on for 5 minutes. Please don't turn it off. I don't want to look at that picture. I don't like it. Page 278 in your textbook, there's Chile. There's some to look at. Cedric, look in your textbook if you don't want to look on the paper there. If you look at 278 Cedric and 254, you can see the countries. Matthew, did you pick one?
Can I do French?
Guyana?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's one I don't know much about, so that would be a good one. That'll help me learn something. I don't know much about that area. Matthew, if you go to page 254 in your textbook, you can see it on the map there. Okay. Peru. Where's Peru? Okay. Cassie, if you look on page 278, that'll begin the area where Peru is. Also, Argentina, Nick M, on page 278 in your textbook is where you'll see the map with Argentina, and after that is the lesson with some stuff about it. Nick Willoughby, you have Ecuador. Ecuador is on page 27, starts on 278, Willoughby. Okay. Cedric,
Okay.
did you pick one, Cedric?
Yes, I did. I'm doing
What do you-
Colombia and Chile.
No, you only picked one.
Oh,
Colombia or Chile.
Chile.
Okay, Chile. Okay, well, go to page 278 in your textbook.
I already did.
Okay,
already
well,
did.
after that, those pages after that will have some information on that area for you. Cedric.
Okay.
Okay, Nathan Miller. Where'd Nathan Miller go?
Venezuela.
Okay. Okay. Venezuela is starts on page 254, Nathan, and the pages after that will give information on that area of South America. Okay. Cassie, you could get started right away. You have a couple minutes here. You can get your title page started. If you want to read that section, honey, where Peru is, which is, it starts on 278, Cassie.
Okay.
And the pages after that will tell you some things about that area of South America, and you can, might help you out a little bit.
All right.
Do you have any questions, honey?
Nope.
Okay. Serena, yours is Brazil would be on start. The map is on 278. No, wait. No, it's not. Where's Brazil? Oh, Brazil is all on its own. 309. Look at 309. No, 304. Serena, page 304 in your textbook. Brazil has its own little section. You're going to get a lot of information about Brazil. You have a whole section on yours, and it starts on 304, Serena.
Okay.
304. Okay. Okay. Everybody know where to look in your book now for yours. I marked it so I could help you. Does everybody have their area? Okay. Any questions about the project? All right. Okay, tomorrow we'll start reading on Mexico, but you guys can go and work on your project. I think everybody has their test in, correct? I think everybody got their test in that you were assigned on Friday. What? You're muted, Nick.
Sorry. What was? When will you give us our grades for our test?
I'm gonna grade those this afternoon. I had a lot of grading this weekend, and yours was the last one. I didn't get to it, so I'll work on that this afternoon. I should have it done by tomorrow.
Okay, because I really want to know what my grade was. So yeah.
Okay. Work
My
on
dogs are going nuts. Okay.
I hear them. Okay, well, have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. We're meeting in Mexico. Just come see me at 2 o'clock if you have any questions on the project.
Okay, bye.
Bye.